Okay, introducing GMC's A7 UHF RFID reader, and this is the portable UHF reader, and which can support iOS, Android, and Windows systems. Okay, now that we open the box. Okay, and when you open the boxes, you'll find a user menu and UHF RFID card, testing card, and this is A7 portable UHF reader, and read write it can read write RFID text by this, and this is the Type C USB cable and connector, and there are two. This is the connector to help you to searching to insert to the mobile phones, and this Type C cables, and you can just insert to the laptop or something. Okay, and this is all you have. Now let's do some testing. Okay, here's mobile phones, and we just searching, and we just using this cable, and which should be much more easy for me to operate. Okay. Just insert to Type C cable, and just do some testing. Oh, sorry. Should use this connector. Okay, let me use this connector. And this green light means that it's power on. Okay, and here is the its apps. Okay. Now, and so since you support both USB and USB Type C and Bluetooth connection, and now we just give you some simple demonstration. First, we connected by the USB. Okay, click USB, and now it's connected. Now, and you can check the device information here. Okay, then this is RFID setup, and you can setting the EPC base model, base parameters here. For example, there's model, quick model, or something, and sessions, Q value, and inventory and model A or B, and working frequencies. Now it's supported the FCC and also ETSI, and these options auto idle to these options, and if this A7 UHF reader works as USB keyboard, then suggest you to open it because it will setting the reading read times interval. If just closes functions, then the A7 reader will continue reading the text. So better to read this. And attend power from 0 to 18. And from 0 to 18, it support master 18. Please remember. And uploading parameters. And the following are the other protocols. This is a Chinese protocols. GJB is also Chinese protocol, UHF protocol, so you don't need to know it. Okay, then we're back to it, and now let's starting tag operation, and now we enter into tag operation is into the inventory interface. Now we can just put the tags here and inventory. Yes, you can see the EPCs, TIDs, and put more text here. Yeah, you find 3 tags here. Now we just stop it. Okay, and at this binding interface, you can just bind an items to, for example, you just binding a desk and just bind this tag, bind success, and this desk will show here. And also choose other tags here, and we have 3 tags. You can just choose another tags. For example, I just binding it as a pen bind, and a more list is added. Then at this finding interface, you can just find the text, find the bound text, and for example, I just scan it. Yes, I find this is this desk, and there are 2 texts, and you just read one because another text didn't bound, so just add it as pen. So this is simple functions. For more information, you can just develop as per its API. Okay, just simple demonstration. So the function is not complete. Okay, now we go to the write functions. Okay, for example, I put a tag here, and currently this tag is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 5, 6, 8. I can just set it as 9, and I just write success. Now inventory. See that the EPC EPC here has been changed. So you can also write user date, access password, key password, such as that, and setting the address and the length, and also the password. If the tag has password, you can just input access password here, and also can lock this tags by from here, lock here. For example, key password, access password, EPC TID. You can just lock this error, the setting password here, and input password, and also kill tag. So this write function is much complete. You can just testing at your wish. Okay, and at this setting interfaces, you can just check. You can just check the TID user date or reserve memories, and the more you check that, and if you check this date, and you will show in the inventory data list. For example, I just inventory. Now you can see that the TID's user memory, TID user memory reserve memory, also be shown here. And also it supports other tags. For example, LED tag this one is LED tag, and this one is temperature and humidity tags, and also can show the chip types. For example, aliens, NXPs, image also. So this is the tag operation, and and this function. This function is key USB keyboard functions. Color, yes. You can just open it. You can just open the keyboard functions to output EPC TID or EPC or TID here, and also could setting prefix and suffix and the suffix, and also the duration time here and waiting time, and you can just click set to open the USB keyboard functions, and also have the auto read on power. And this auto read, when the A7 UHF reader at power on state, it will auto read the text without any apps controls. So you can just click it and enable it. But please note, this function, card read settings for USB keyboard, this also are USB keyboard functions, and but these functions conflict with the with this USB connection. Yes, this USB communication functions it conflict with the USB keyboard functions. So once you choose this function as open. For example, you say you just check this USB keyboard as EPCs and setting. Okay, then the USB connection is failed. It cannot be is failed. For example, okay, you see, no device detected. So under these circumstances, you just need to close this function. But now you can't operate, so you just need to you just connect the A7 reader by the Bluetooth connect, and now we just because just searching, we have searching these devices because we have also searched it. So you just scan the Bluetooth, check if your Bluetooth has opened, for example, and you just that and just find this NA starting with NA, and this is the Bluetooth strings. Okay, just connect this one. Now you don't need to connect it by this password or something. You don't need to go these places. Just go to the apps and just connect it. And now it's connected. And just close this function. Set. And now you can just also you can again use this USB connected. See that? Okay, it's now oh now connected. So this is a Bluetooth connections. So this Bluetooth connection and USB connections. And this is my and this RFID and this is my tables. And you can set in language as languages and tech protocol 6C, 6B, and the following is the Chinese protocol. And also updated the firmware and check the version. So it's all about the A7 after reader working on mobile phones and also can work on the desktop on the Windows Windows demos and Windows demo only can be connected by the USB interface. So the Bluetooth is un, is not is is not useful. So we can just checking it working at Windows. Now setting one. Okay. Okay. This Windows. We open the demo. I can show you the demo operations. Open the GReader tools. Okay. And select the USB HID and click confirm. Now it's connected to this Windows demo. But in this Windows demo is very powerful. It has more functions than the mobile apps. For example, and you can just inventory the EPCs here. Okay, you can inventory EPC and operate it and just store and export it. Exported date. Let me check where is it. Okay, use tools. Export Excels. So you can just export Excels or export the export export it as CS files or notebooks. So This tool and this function cannot be is not realized on these RFID apps. So if you want to install the function, you can just use this one, and also have the right functions, and also have right functions in, and it's more easy for you to operate it on Windows apps. Okay, so this is also Windows. Now I just also show you the operation and the details, the detailed user software, Windows software guidance. You can just checking at this, check this PDF, and we show you how to operate, the RFID tags here. Okay, it's a demo operation, so it also can work on Windows. There's no doubt. And I just show you show you the user menus. And this is user menus, and there is details operations of RFID apps here. Yes, you can just check this PDF and also download the softwares for Android software, iOS software, Windows software, and the user menu here. And this user menu will be inside the box, and you will find it there. Okay.